Hi, today we have the Vicks filter-free cool mist humidifier. It's low maintenance, it requires no filters, it runs up to 30 hours of operation, and it takes a 1.2 gallon capacity. It requires a medium-sized room, and I'm gonna open this box to see what it looks like. So let's crack this bad boy open. Okay, right now we have the instruction manual, and this is a vapor refill pad. It looks like it's a sample pad. Okay, let's put this to the side. Let's take this out. There's nothing else inside. Okay, so this is the humidifier right here. All right, let me just show you the top, the sides. This look like it's a little handle where you hold it when you fill the water up. This is the bottom part. I guess this is where you pour the water inside. Twist it open, and that's the inside of it. And it looks like it's easy to clean. My whole hand could fit inside. You know, I've bought some that you couldn't even put your head inside to clean it out. So this is a pretty good build so far. All right, let's close it back. It also has a open and lock. Tell you how to open and lock it if that pleases anybody. Also on the top right here, it has this where you could position where the steam is coming, where you want the steam to blow. Okay, this doesn't comes out. Oh, I take that back. It does comes out. All right, and I guess it just pops back in. Yeah, pops back in. All right, let's put that right there. And this is the bottom part. This is the on and off switch. How much steam you want to come out. All right, and I guess this right here is where you put the vapor pad, the Vicks vapor pad. Now, the Vicks vapor pad is mostly, you don't have to use it, but if you if you feeling like stuffy, like you got a stuffy nose, or if you coughing a lot, or you know, if you need it to soothe you so you could sleep better at night, you can use it, but it's not required. You can just use the water, and it steams by itself also. So it's not really required. That's if you choose to use that, if you got a, like I said, if you got a cough or feeling congested or whatever. All right, so it's not much really to show you. I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna fill it up with some water, and I'm gonna show you how it operates. So stay tuned for that. And this is the bottom. Yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna fill it up with some water. I'm gonna place it on top. Okay. And I already plugged it in. I'm gonna turn it on. I don't know if you can see that, but right now it's on. As you can see, the steam coming out. Let's point this. Only could go to about 45. No, not 45. Almost 180 degrees. It doesn't do a full 360 turn. Okay, let me see if you could take it off in position. another way. Okay, it doesn't look like it can do it. So it looked like it only goes in one way, which is that way. Okay, and you position it, and you can see the steam, the smoke or whatever it is. It's really cool. Right now I only have it halfway, so there's not a lot of steam coming in. Actually, not even halfway. It's like a little bit from the, let me see if you guys could see that. Give me 1 second. As you can see, it is not fully half of the power that's coming out. So let's crank it up a little bit more and see how much steam you can get from it. Okay, so as you can see that there's more steam coming out, and it's cool to the touch. You know, it's not warm, it's actually cool to the touch. It feels soft. Okay, and that's it. That's it, operating right there. Like I said, you could turn it, position where you want it. It is low maintenance, easy to clean, because I could stick my hand inside. Again, this is where you put the vapor pad if you choose to use it. You can see inside of it. Okay, and that's it. Now let me turn it down some more so you can see the difference. Okay, turn it back up, down, up. That's it. And it's very low. It's not loud. It's very, very quiet. Okay, that's it.